What's up, you suppressive shitheads? You want to go clear like Tom Cruise, marry a beard, and jump out of a plane? If you want me to join your cult, you better bring the snacks. Leah Remini's gonna make a show about me, because today, I'm making Scientology sliders. Joining a cult should feel like a wedding cocktail hour, except my aunt isn't gonna try to f the busboy. We're making popcorn chicken parm sliders. Yes, this is pre-made. You think this cult gives a shit about you? They let John Travolta make Gotti. I made sauce in like every episode. If you don't know by now, go back and subscribe, you lazy f. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, you think Tom Cruise believes in this shit? He's made like 60 Mission Impossibles. That's like selling you the most expensive Cutco knife.
I think it's a privilege to call yourself a foodie. You gotta earn it. I've done a lot of movies. You're a foodie or you're not a foodie. You're either all the way in or you're not. People are gonna come up to you and they're gonna go, hey, have you taken pictures on Instagram? Slow videos of melted cheese? People are just like, have you met a real chef? Seriously. It hits you that you're the only person that can take that picture of that same cheeseburger somebody ate a week ago and say, hey, I ate there too. They're gonna be like, oh no, but I ate there last week. Yeah, but did you get any likes?
Setting some sauce aside for the chicken parm. We're gonna keep the rest of the sauce in the pan for the sausage, peppers, and onions. Yes, you vegan pieces of shit. I didn't forget about you. We're gonna feed you, even though you haven't fed yourself in years. Spoiler alert, Xenu is a god in Scientology, and that's also the safe word that David Miscavige screams when he gets pegged. We're making Kobe beef sliders. Kobe is actually Japanese for white guy who played a samurai in a movie. Like most hors d'oeuvres, these are gonna go quick and down your throat, like most of your prom nights. Let's be real. Yeah. Make sure you follow, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm so cold.